morning, friends. In the previous video we have learned about division and factors. In this video we are going to be learn about how we can find the factors. Okay, so we'll solve the problem set 32. Write the factor of the following number. So here the first number is 8. That means you have to find the factor of 8. I told you how to find the factors of 8. What we have to do? We have to see that in how many tables 8 is coming. So we'll start always from 1. So in one table is 8 is coming? Yes, in one table 8 is coming. Okay, so in 2, now next number is 2. In 2 table 8 is coming? Yes, 2 4s are 8, so 2 will be the factor. In 3 table 8 is coming? No, in 3 table 8 is not coming. That means 3 will be not a factor of 8. Now, in 4 table 8 is coming? Yes, 4 2s are 8. So, 4 will be the factor of 8. In 5 table 8 is coming? No, in 5 table 8 is not coming. That means 5 will be not a factor of 8. Now, in 6 table? No. In 6 table also 8 is not coming. In 7 table? No. So 6 and 7 will be not the factor of 8. Now in 8 table is 8 is coming? Yes, 8 ones are 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8 is the factor of 8. Clear? We have to just see in how many table 8 is coming. That will be the factor of 8. Now in the next number you can see is 5. Now, next number is 5. So, 5. Factor of 5. Always you have to start from 1. In one table 5 is coming. Yes, 5 ones are 5. So, 5 is coming in one table 5 is coming. So, 1 will be the factor of 5. Now, in 2 table 5 is coming? No. In 3 table? No. In 4 table? No. In 5 table? Yes. In 5 table 5 is coming. So the factor of 5 will be 1 and 5. Understood? We have to just see in how many table that number is coming. That will be the factor. Now third will be the 14. So the factor of 14. Now we have to check 14 is coming in which table. So first we'll start from 1. In one table 14 is coming. Yes, in one table 14 is coming. Okay, in 2 table, yes, 2 7s are 14 is coming. So this will be 2 will be the factor. In 3 table 14 is coming? No. If you see 3 table, you will find the 14 is not coming in 3 table. So 3 will be not a factor. 4 in 4 table 14 is coming? No. In 5 table? No. In 6 table? No. In 7 table? Yes. In 7 table 14 is coming. 7 2s are 14. So 7 will be the factor. After that, if you will see, in 8 table also 14 is not coming. 9 table also not coming. In 10 table also not. In 11 also not. In 12? No. In 13? No. In 14 table 14 is coming. 14 ones are 14. So factor of 14 will be 1 2 7 14. Okay.